What does irrevocable mean? It may not be exactly what you think. But before we get there, I'd like you to imagine a friend going through a what-if scenario that creeped into their lives. But luckily, they were fully prepared because you shared this video with them. We would really appreciate it, and so will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey. We're here to educate everyone for free. So please drop your questions so we may answer them and hopefully save someone before something occurs in their life. So what does irrevocable mean? An irrevocable trust, which is a contract, technically means it's something that cannot be changed. And yes, I used air quotes. Why did I use air quotes? It's meant to solidify your wishes in hopes that you're not going to change them, giving extra thought to that contract that you're entering into with the anticipation that it is going to remain fixed and be followed through with. However, there are occasions when an irrevocable trust does need to be modified or completely eradicated. And if your estate planning attorney is aware of the methods and provisions to include in that trust, it shouldn't be overly cumbersome to do so. Circumstances change, and so sometimes an irrevocable trust must as well. Keep in mind that changing, modifying, or sometimes called decanting an irrevocable trust is not as simple as an amendment to a revocable trust. May seem straightforward, but not all people are aware. Note, primarily, an irrevocable trust seems scary because you're creating a trust meant for the future without change, but it technically can be if the circumstances arise. I would be wary if you have an attorney or other advisor who's suggesting that you put all of your eggs into one basket that is an irrevocable trust. Often, that could be an overuse of that. Our firm typically uses it in a method in a conservative way, where the family members, typically parents or grandparents, are not pulling away the use or control of assets that they may need during their lifetime. Hope that information is helpful to you, or a friend. And we'd appreciate it if you don't forget to please share. As always, take care.